Kentner here. Got the first mod in for the GT-R, so we're going to install it today. So let's jump into it. Picked up some tails from turn signals from Diode Dynamics, and I'm going to show you guys how to install them. Alright guys, let's check out what's in the box. Alright guys, I got I'm going to upgrade both reverse tail lights, and then I think I got some, I think these are for the license plates lights, and then here's your harnesses with your tails for turn signal. Diode Dynamics sticker. They got a 3-year warranty. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is remove all these tabs. I think there's 5 of them total, and that just requires a flathead screwdriver. Alright guys, once you have it popped up, you can just pull out and it'll come right out, and then just do that to, like I said, the rest of the 5 of them. Alright guys, after you got the clips out, you just you're going to pull up on this, and it's got some clips under this right here, and then it'll just lift out. Alright guys, all we're going to do is pull this carpet back a little bit, and then here's your connector, and then your lights are behind these 2 little plastic things, and you can just take those right off, and then the bulb just you just turn it and it clicks out. And then you'll just put your new LED bulb in. Alright, and then once you get that back in, just replace this cover, and it just snaps right on there. And then there's another cover just like that on back off in there. We're actually going to take off these side clips to get to the other bulb. That's just going to give us some more room. It's got one up here too. And it comes out just the same as the other one. your flathead screwdriver and put it on that pin and then pull it out. Then we're going to grab our tails for turn signal module. Alright, here's your module. Alright guys, and if you want to do the dual reverse lights, you have to grab the T-tap that comes with the kit, and we got to use a set of pliers and clamp it on this yellow wire. So we're going to do that right now. And this is the same kit that I used on my STI too, so you can do this to your STI too. But it's just that simple. Take the pliers, crimp that down, and then you're going to take your extra lead wire and plug it in there. And now you have an extra turn signal. And then you just take this harness and plug it back up. And just tuck it under there. And then just do the same thing to the other side, and you're good to go. Alright, now I'll show you all the differences. Alright guys, that's your standard turn signal. And that's the turn, or tails for turn, I can't even talk. And that's just what it changes. It just takes the tail signal and uses the brake light to do it. Alright, now I'll show you the reverse. Alright guys, that is your standard reverse light. And then this right here is the mod with the dual reverse lights and LEDs. Alright guys, I got both sets in. And that's what it looks like complete. Alright guys, now I got dual reverse lights on each side. Alright guys, I also got the LEDs for the license plate, and all you got to do is there's like a little release up in here. Grab that and the whole bulb will come down, or light assembly. And it's pretty much the same as the tail light. You can turn it and it'll pop right out. And then there it is. Alright guys, that's the new LED bulb in there. And then you just put the assembly back together and put it back up in there. If it does not light up, then the polarity's wrong on it, so you'll just have to turn it around. Just to give y'all a heads up. Alright guys, and both of them's working, so everything's good. Alright guys, it's been fun as always. Thank y'all guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tails for turn signals install and adding the extra reverse lights and showing you how to install the license plate LEDs too. It's been fun, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Next time I got a cob access port coming in for the car. I got down pipes, and I'm going to order mid pipes and probably injectors. So y'all stay tuned for that. And then we'll be doing some stuff to the XT and then the wife's STI. But it's been fun. Y'all take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Peace.